How to turn on or turn off headphone notifications on iPhone 12. So if I have any of the iPhone 12 series, it's going to be iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max, and I want to disable or enable the headphone notifications, then here's a video for you. This is a quick thing to do. So all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. While on the settings page, scroll down, click on accessibility. Under accessibility, scroll down the page, keep scrolling until you get to audio and visual, and then select it. Now, under audio and visual, you want to scroll down the page until you get to headphone notifications. To protect your hearing, iPhone sends a notification if you've been listening to loud headphone audio for long enough to affect your ear. So go ahead and turn on this. This is going to help you to protect your ear by sending notifications that the music or the audio you're listening to is too loud. And once you're done, you can now exit this page. So that is basically how to turn on headphone notifications on iPhone. If you want to turn it off, just need to repeat the process again. Go to your settings, click on accessibility. Under accessibility, scroll down to audio and visual, and then disable headphone notifications. And that is it, then you are good to go. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.